It begins deep in the earth, with purity.
Every gallon starts with a grain. Crushed, refined, transformed.
Carried by air to where magic begins. Stored in silence, waiting for purpose. Precision logistics, moving chemistry. Every drop accounted for, zero waste.
Controlled entry for controlled quality.
Tanker, proceed to Bay 3. Align with the guidelines. Copy. Docking sequence initiated.
From transport to transformation.
Delivered and received perfectly. A cathedral of color built for precision. Every entry verified, every process protected. Order within complexity, flow within control. Where ingredients become innovation. Precision commanded, quality assured. Purity before production, always. Every drop recovered, every resource honored. Precision sorted, performance guaranteed. Measured with intent, mixed with purpose. Micro-precision, macro-impact. Shear forces align, molecules unite. Particle by particle, perfection achieved. Filtered to flawless, pure by design. Adjusted to exact, engineered to excel. Color calibrated. Vision realized. Match confirmed. Molecules transformed, performance engineered. Stabilized for performance, engineered for application. Air removed, quality preserved. Uniform by design, consistent by execution. Certified by data, trusted by industry.
robotic precision, human oversight.
Measured by mass, trusted by volume. Sealed with certainty, protected by design. Marked for traceability, encoded for trust. Stacked with intelligence, shipped with confidence. Secured for transit, protected for delivery. Verified by weight, validated by data. Guided by intelligence, stored with precision. Stored at scale, retrieved on demand. Digital mirrored, physical perfected. Flow characterized, performance predicted. Bond verified. Durability assured. Time accelerated. Confidence extended. Color preserved, quality enduring. Certified by science, trusted by specification. Scale achieved. Readiness confirmed. Loaded with care. Dispatched with precision. Sealed for security. Tracked for trust.
People and precisions, together creating excellence.
And this is how modern factories produce paint from start to finish.